When you have geometry that follows a curve, it can be desirable to place accurate dimensions of the geometry within a section view. Such situations are common in all disciplines. This includes examples such as curved railings and moldings in architecture, curved structural supports or MEP duct runs, or even infrastructure projects with curved roadways and bridges. When you create sections through such curved forms, you will be able to add dimensions directly to and accurately measure the edges of the section geometry. Simply dimension the elements and edges using standard Revit dimensioning tools directly in the section. Edges and points will highlight and become available for witness line placement. Dimension curved elements cut by sections as easily as you do elements in plans and elevations. This makes it easier to create accurate documentation of even complex geometric forms.